Hello, my name is James Ross, and I currently am completing my field placement at a, a clinic that works with vulnerable adults. We provide therapeutic services to at-risk adults, and we actually work with some youth as well within Chester County or Chester, PA. And I actually chose to participate in this class because I feel like it's the one area that I have the most or the least amount of experience. I have absolutely no experience in psychopharmacology. So I want to gain some of that experience, and I'm hopeful that after everything is said and done at the end of this class, that I will at least have a strong foundation to move forward. I may be interested in working in a hospital, so I would like to get some kind of experience from this from the medical the medical standpoint. So best of luck with everyone.